Hey everybody, Mac and Damer here for OCR Kings, and if you're considering doing a Spartan Super for the first time, we're here to give you a sneak preview of what to expect. Now, most people's first race is a Spartan Sprint, which is a 5K 3-mile race with 20 obstacles. However, if you've done a sprint already, are looking for the next level challenge, or are perhaps attempting to complete your first trifecta, then you're going to want to check out the Spartan Super, which is the next race up, a 10K 6-mile race with 25 obstacles. The Super has all the obstacles of the Sprint, which we've mentioned in a video before and will link to below, but it additionally has some of the best signature Spartan obstacles available. That's all well and good, but I'm sure you're more interested in seeing what those are. So, without further ado, you may encounter at the Super the following: Hype Layer, Beater, Bender, Olympus, Twister, The Box, Stairway to Sparta, If these are new to you, not to worry. We have plenty of tutorials on how to beat these obstacles, as well as gear recommendations, training tips, and race footage from venues all across the country. Alright everybody, this has been Mac and Damer for OCR Kings. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. It helps to grow the channel, and we appreciate it very, very much.
Yes, we do.
So we hope to see you out there on the course. But until that time, remember, as always,
Train hard.
have fun.